Understanding Freelance Jobs, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and interesting topic in the modern workplace: freelance jobs. Whether you're planning to start freelancing or just curious about it, this video will help you understand what it means and how it works. So, let's dive in. A freelance job is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than being permanently employed by a single company. Freelancers are not bound by typical office hours or a fixed workplace. They have the flexibility to choose their projects, set their own schedules, and often work from various locations. Common freelance fields include writing, graphic design, programming, and consulting. In this section, we'll look at the distinct features of freelance jobs. 1. Flexibility and freedom. Freelancers have the freedom to choose their work hours and often their work locations. 2. Diverse projects and clients. Freelancers work on various projects for different clients, which can provide diverse experiences. 3. Self-management. Freelancers are responsible for managing their own time, finances, and business operations. 4. Income variation. Freelancers' incomes can vary depending on the number and type of projects they undertake. Pros. Flexibility. Set your own hours and work from anywhere. Variety. Work on different projects with diverse clients. Independence. Be your own boss and make key decisions about your work. Cons. Income uncertainty. Earnings can fluctuate month to month. Lack of benefits. No employer-provided healthcare or retirement plans. Self-discipline required. Managing your time and workload effectively is crucial. For those interested in starting a freelance career, consider these steps. 1. Identify your skills. Determine what services you can offer. 2. Build a portfolio. Showcase your work to attract clients. 3. Network and market yourself. Use social media and professional networks to find opportunities. 4. Understand freelance contracts. Learn about contracts, payments, and rights as a freelancer. We hope this video has been enlightening in understanding what a freelance job entails. Freelancing offers a unique blend of flexibility, variety, and independence, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. If you're considering freelancing, remember to weigh the pros and cons and prepare accordingly. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best in your English learning journey and your professional endeavors.